Before we start creating any effect, I want you to understand how the container works. So here I have an example of a fire effect. Don't worry about the notes. I will show you everything in details later. Okay, so this container consists of boxes, small boxes. We don't see them in the viewport. So this box is called voxels. So here I have an example. Notice how the big box divided to small boxes. These small boxes called voxels. So the more you increase the voxels amount in the container, the result will be better and your fire effect or smoke effect will have more details. Okay, so let's see here. So if I go and play the simulation, you see I have very bad result or bad resolution. So if I come to the pyro and then if I decrease the division size, so if I decrease that to, for example, 2, now I will have more boxes in the container. So now this container contains more boxes. So I can prove that by middle mouse, holding the middle mouse button. And you see here, I have 18, 33, and 18. Okay, so I have 18 voxel in the X. Okay, and I have 33 in the Y. So if I decrease that a little bit more, for example 0.1, now I will have more boxes or voxels in the container. Okay, so now this will give us more detail on the fire, as you see. But if you decrease the division size more than 0.1, for example, if you go too far, this will make the simulation slower. But most of artists making mistake by decreasing the division size too far, okay, too much. So they think if they decrease it too much, they will get better result, and that's not true, because if you decrease it too much, then you will get very high details on the fire or the smoke, and then the fire or the smoke will not look realistic. Okay, so be careful about that. You need to find a value that it's okay for you and it works good. Okay, so see you in the next lesson.